Jude does with this chair. Oop, needs to focus. That's not a push toy, Jude. And then he gets mad. Watch. Up. Whoa. You're all right. Get up. Stand up. There you go. Gets caught on the carpet. It's okay. There you go. No. Move it. Can you move it? There you go. Good job. See? Oh, it's caught. You got it. Fix it. Uh-oh. Daddy's gonna help you. You're gonna walk to Daddy. Look at that. Oh. Look at you. Look at you. Oh. You're caught. You're stuck. Oh. There you go. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Get up. Are you all done pushing the chair yet? There you go. Run, run, run. He's so... All right. You all done? Nope. Say Dada.
You want my Tostitos?
He wants to go in the kitchen. There you go. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.